to be the elevator at the Mount Vernon Square Metro Station in Washington, D.C. We still got the U.S. elevator still here. And we're gonna watch it come down. We're gonna take one ride up and one ride down. Still here. It's still here. Right now, I don't think it has started yet, but it has not started yet. I'll take one ride. Here we are at Mezzanine. Door closed when I push the button. I love that. This is a very nice U.S. elevator. So your fixtures. Capacity is 2,000 pounds. It's a bit slow going down. Here we are at the train level. That's it.